Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to active Doctor Strange theme in Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Instagram app and click on this messenger icon to the upper right hand corner and open the Instagram conversation you want to customize and click on this I button and click on theme. And here you'll find Doctor Strange theme, so select the theme. So here you can see I successfully activated Doctor Strange theme in my Instagram. But remember one thing, you can only activate theme using this messenger option. So connect your messenger with your Instagram. After that you will be able to use theme features on Instagram. If you'd like to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.